Have you ever wondered what will power the future? As we move away from fossil fuels, the hunt for a clean, efficient, and sustainable energy source is on. One promising candidate is hydrogen, a resource that might sound futuristic, but is actually as old as the universe itself. Diving right in, let's explore how this element could revolutionize our energy landscape. To make sense of this, we first need to understand what a fuel cell is. Picture a conventional battery. It stores energy, which gets depleted over time. Once it runs out, you either throw it away or recharge it. A fuel cell, on the other hand, doesn't run down or require recharging. It operates as long as it has a constant source of fuel and oxygen. In its simplest form, a fuel cell consists of two electrodes, an anode and a cathode, sandwiching an electrolyte. When we introduce hydrogen to the anode and oxygen to the cathode, an exciting reaction takes place. The hydrogen molecules break apart into protons and electrons due to a catalyst at the anode. These electrons then take the path of least resistance, creating an electric current. Meanwhile, the protons pass through the electrolyte to the cathode, where they combine with oxygen and the electrons to form water, the only byproduct of this process. Sounds ideal, right? But here's the catch. Pure hydrogen is not readily available on Earth. That's where magnesium comes into play. Magnesium, commonly found in seawater, can react with water to produce hydrogen. This process, known as magnesium corrosion, involves a chemical reaction where water molecules split, releasing hydrogen gas. The magnesium acts as a sacrificial anode, slowly corroding as it reacts with the water. This reaction generates heat, which speeds up the process, leading to more hydrogen production. The beauty of this process is that it doesn't require any external energy source. The reaction between magnesium and water naturally produces the energy needed. To sum up, hydrogen fuel cells offer a promising alternative to traditional energy sources. They generate electricity through a clean process that only produces water as a byproduct. The challenge lies in producing pure hydrogen, but with magnesium corrosion, we have a potential solution. This process uses readily available magnesium and water to produce hydrogen without the need for external energy. The science behind fuel cells and hydrogen production from magnesium corrosion may seem complicated, but at its core, it's about harnessing the natural reactions of these elements to create a sustainable, clean energy source. The future of energy might just be hiding in plain sight, in the water around us and the elements beneath our feet. So the next time you gaze at the sea or pick up a rock, consider the energy potential that lies within.